Alright guys, welcome back to another Formless Digital video. So as y'all know, always make, we had a recorded session today as well at 12 p.m. each time that y'all probably missed. So this, for those who miss it, this is a short version of those who miss it, and as well for those who watch on YouTube, this is for y'all, you want to learn too. If you haven't joined our Discord group, make sure you join in the description below. Also as well, I will be start doing live trading sessions on YouTube for those who want to watch live on YouTube. I will start doing that soon, so make sure you subscribe to that to be able to get notified when I do my live trading sessions. But other than that, let's get to it. It's going to be a quick little video, not too long. Let's kind of go over overall, how we trade our order block setup when looking for these setups. What happened during current week. So as you see here, we had this high getting taken out right here. This is a high. The start of the week price came up, then dipped down and came up. The moment this high get taken out right here, right? This is your order block setup. Let's kind of change that to gold so you can see everything I'm doing. This is your order block setup. Before this right here, this is the framework. So this is your overall range. Why? Because this is like where the start of the move happened right here, where everything was at. So you have your overall framework from here to here. So that gives you your overall framework. This is why I would tell y'all do your framework, because your framework is going to help you identify your range, and it's going to also help you identify the low and high that has not been taken out, because that's how we do our trades off of lows and highs. So we had this previous high right here that got taken out before this high right here, right? Then price came down. So when price took out the low of this up candle, this is our order block set up. So first up was the high got taken out. What made this high form? Because every time we have a retracement and it goes up, that's a previous high. So when that happened, what happened? We have this low right here. The low of this up candle got taken out by this down candle. That's your entry. Once price retraces back over this line, that's your entry. That is a bearish order block setup. Some people don't even see that as a bearish order block setup, but that is a bearish order block setup. At price start going down, right? Then you'll wait for price to mitigate back. If you want to place more entries, you will wait for price to mitigate back to the level that it broke out of. This is a level that it broke out of. So hey, you want to place an entry for here. But clearly price didn't tap back into it, as you can see. So you had to put a stop order, or you just would have missed it and had to wait for another one. Then also as well, we have as price started going down, right? Price kind of mitigate off this level right here, and it decided to retrace up. So when it came up, right? What do we have here? Who can tell me? Pause the video before you cheat. Pause the video. Tell me. Who can tell me what is this setup right here? This is pause the video. You haven't. This is an order block setup, because why? It took out the high. It took out the high of this candle, and then it took out the low of this candle. And I want to show y'all something between this order block and the other order block. I just want y'all to know. And future note, you can either go by the volume or you can go by the candle. I go by the volume, and the reason why I go by the volume, because let's say if price decide to go don't touch it, right? Then I can easily do a stop order, and there's always a sniper entry. But compared to going by the wick, sometimes you might have too much of a drawback and before it goes in this direction. So I always go by the volume. But it doesn't matter. You go by either the wick or the volume. I go by the volume. It depends on if you're more of an aggressive trader. But what I want to show y'all is the difference between this and this order block. So with this order block right here, so you have this one up top right here where when the high got taken out, it took one candle to take the low out of this up candle, and then you had this that took two candles to take the low out of this up candle. The point is to say that it doesn't require one candle to take it out. Some people think it has to be one candle to take it out. It doesn't have to. It can be two candles. That's still an order block. Alone the high get taken out and take out the low of that up candle, that's an order block. Then as price start coming down, right? And then what happened? Then we have another mitigation point right here. This is a mitigation. So if you were to put a limit order in right here, once price had broke this area right here, for price to tap back into it, you had a entry right here. You really had two entries. So when that got taken out, right, you had an entry right here as well when price tapped into it before it came down. So you had two entries if you'd have put two limit orders in. Just to show that y'all don't have to trade every single day. It's not about, I choose quality trades over quantity. It's not about how many trades. It's about the setups. One good setup can get you at least 2 or 3 trades. That's all you need. And you see price start coming down more, and then what happened? Price take this low out one more time, and then it goes up. Now, of course, we have this imbalance on current price, so price obviously is getting weak because we have a change of character in price. We have these huge impulses, and now price starting to get weaker, so we can expect price to kind of go back down, tap into it, and start working way back up. I also want y'all to know, just because price tap into it, sometimes it don't have to go back up. Sometimes it can just react off it, just make a small reaction to continue lower. So, other than that, if you like what you learning so far and you understand it and giving value in this, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Don't be scared to comment on the comments below to let me know what y'all want to learn. Whatever y'all having a hard time at, whether it's trying to understand proper risk management, whether it's trying to understand how to trade your setups, how to do top-down analysis, or it's a chart you're looking at. Let me know. Comment below, or whatever strategy you're trying to figure out. It don't have to even be ICT. Whatever you're trying to figure out, comment below, and we can do our best to help you on. At the end of the day, as a trader, our goal is to be profitable every month. So, make sure you join the Discord group because it's a bunch of traders. We are helping each other, and we're getting better and learning every single day. So you can be the next person to get approved by this platform and trading full time. So other than that, it's not going to be really too long of a video. Like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below so you can be in tune when I start doing live trades. Other than that, peace and have a blessed weekend.